Hello. Hey, I like your YouTube videos. It was started on the 25th of July, 2023. And now I'm just being my videos myself into this favorite toy. This is Eagles, but no. It'll be good. Come back. I'm gonna like subscribe. I'm saying like I get my videos like to look at because I don't get